Before deciding whether VPN Shield is the right choice for you, it's essential to know what it offers compared to other VPN services out there. While it might seem like a solid option, there are key factors you should consider before pulling the trigger. First, VPN Shield is known for its strong privacy features. It uses military-grade encryption and doesn't log your activity, which is a must for most privacy-conscious users. But when compared to the competition, it's important to note that some other VPNs, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, offer even more robust privacy policies and clearer transparency. Next thing, speed. VPN Shield promises fast speeds, but its performance can vary depending on your location and the server you choose. In our testing, speeds were decent, but services like ExpressVPN consistently outperformed it, especially for activities like streaming or gaming, where speed matters most. The third thing to note is the server selection. VPN Shield has a decent number of servers, but it's not as extensive as competitors like CyberGhost, which boasts over 7,000 servers worldwide. With fewer servers, you might run into congestion or slower speeds during peak times. Moving on to the fourth thing, device compatibility. VPN Shield is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices, but it doesn't support as many platforms as some other VPNs. For example, Proton VPN supports more advanced features on Linux and routers, offering broader flexibility if you're setting up more complex devices. The fifth thing is the price. VPN Shield offers affordable pricing, especially with long-term plans. However, compared to other services, the value can be a bit lacking. Premium services, such as NordVPN, may cost a bit more, but offer additional benefits, like faster speeds, a wider server network, and more comprehensive features. The sixth thing to consider is streaming support. VPN Shield works with Netflix and some other popular streaming services, but it doesn't unblock as many international libraries as services like ExpressVPN or Surfshark, which can easily bypass geo-restrictions on streaming platforms globally. The seventh thing to mention is ease of use. VPN Shield's interface is user-friendly, making it simple for beginners to set up and use. However, some users find it lacking compared to the sleek interfaces of competitors like CyberGhost, which provides more customization options. The eighth thing is customer support. VPN Shield offers 24/7 support, but the response time can be slow at times. Other VPNs, like private internet access, offer quicker and more helpful support through live chat or detailed troubleshooting guides. Next, the ninth thing, security. VPN Shield's encryption and kill switch are solid, but it lacks some of the more advanced security features found in services like NordVPN, which includes specialty servers for extra protection. So, while VPN Shield is secure, it may not be the best option for those with higher security demands. The 10th thing is the no logs policy. VPN Shield says it doesn't keep logs, but it doesn't undergo independent audits like some of its competitors. Companies like ExpressVPN have undergone third-party audits to confirm their no logs claims, which might offer you more confidence in your privacy. The 11th thing, multi-hop functionality. VPN Shield doesn't offer multi-hop connections, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for an extra layer of anonymity. VPNs like NordVPN and Surfshark offer this feature, allowing users to route their traffic through multiple servers for enhanced privacy. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that VPN Shield is an overall solid option for casual users who need basic security and privacy online. However, it's not as feature-packed as other top-tier VPNs, like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. If you're looking for something more powerful and reliable, there are other services you might want to consider. In conclusion, VPN Shield is a good option, especially for users who need a simple, cost-effective solution. But if you're looking for a better, more feature-rich experience, check out our recommended VPN solution, which you can try for free and see for yourself how it stacks up.